Hi guys, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I have prepared Japanese style ebi-fry which is served with tartar sauce. It is a popular dish in Japan. Ebi-fry is prepared using large prawns coated with flour, dipped in an egg wash and again coated with panko breadcrumbs, deep fried till golden brown. Panko is Japanese style breadcrumbs used as a coating for deep fried foods. It is available in any supermarket. Ebi-fry is usually served with tartar sauce made with hard-boiled eggs, onions, pickled cucumbers and Japanese mayonnaise. Do watch the full video guys for the complete recipe. Let's get started now. To make the tartar sauce, I have used 1 medium white onion, a few pickled cucumbers, 2 hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, a tablespoon of vinegar and salt to taste. Finely chop the onion. Finely chop the cucumbers as well. Dice the boiled eggs. Add salt to taste. Add some pepper powder. Add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well. And the tartar sauce is now ready. I have a few tiger prawns here. I have cleaned, washed and deveined the prawns. I have left the tails intact. So now I'll cut the tip of the tail. Remove if there's any dirt here. Prawns tend to curl when cooked, so we have to give some cuts underneath and then straighten them. Make a few slits on the stomach side of the prawn and then bend it gently backwards to straighten the prawn. I have straightened the prawns now. Let me dry off the excess water. Sprinkle some salt on both sides and some pepper on both sides as well. Now to prepare the ebi-fry, I have taken here about half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs and some panko breadcrumbs. Add a little bit of salt. Beat the eggs. First coat the prawn with the flour dip it in egg, and then the panko. Repeat the process for all the prawns and coat them well, but make sure not to coat the tail. Oil is heated now. I'm now going to fry the prawns. Flip the prawns a couple of times so that they will fry well. When they turn golden brown, remove them on a paper towel. Here you go guys, ebi-fry with tartar sauce. Crispy and delicious. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.